Let me share with you how to make a wonderfully simple and comforting tomato dough drop soup. This is a warm and satisfying dish that feels like a gentle hug for your stomach, perfect for a quiet morning or relaxing evening. We begin with just two main ingredients. Take one large ripe tomato and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is all you need to start. Place the tomato and flour directly into a food processor. Secure the lid and process everything until it combines into a soft, slightly sticky dough. If the dough seems too wet, add 1 more tablespoon of flour to the processor. Process it for just a few more seconds until the dough becomes smooth and pulls away from the sides. You now have a beautiful, vibrant red tomato flavored dough. The best part is you can create many different flavors. You can use the same method with half of spinach for a green version or with 1 egg for a richer yellow dough. It is a very versatile technique. If you make a larger batch, you can easily store any extra dough drops in a seed bag in your freezer. This gives you a head start on a future healthy and quick meal. When you are ready to eat, bring a pot of water or a light broth to a gentle boil. Tee off small pieces of the dough and drop them directly into the simmering liquid. They will cook through and float to the top when they are done. Once the dough drops are nearly cooked, slowly pour 1 lightly beaten egg into the pot. When stirring, this will create soft, sticky ribbons throughout the soup. Next, add a large handful of fresh leafy greens like spinach. Let them wet slightly in the hot soup just before serving. Finish with half a teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil for a beautiful nutty aroma. Your soup is ready. The dough drops are soft and full of natural tomato flavor. The broth is light and the egg adds a lovely richness. It is a truly wholesome, comforting meal made with simple, honest ingredients and no artificial additives. It is as good for your body as it is for your spirit.